हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉपिक मेल मर्ज। सो मेल मर्ज इज़ अ ऑप्शन ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, and for this firstly I need to open Microsoft Word. Well, the main thing is that why we use mail merge. Mail merge is used to send any letter, any notification, any application, any circular, any important thing to a number of people, and along with that application, circular or notice, we can send the name, address and so many details of the person to whom we want to send it. So if you want to start working with mail merge, so firstly you have to go to the mailings tab, and there is an option start mail merge. Click on it. From here we can select normal Word document or we can select the letters. So here I'm selecting the normal Word document. After selecting this, we have to type our application or notice or whatever information we want to give. So I'm typing. So here I'm typing the notice. Just this is the dummy notice. So this is a dummy notice which I have typed here. So after this, what I need to do, I need to give the address of the person to whom I want to send this information. So for that I need to click on this option, select recipient, and here are three options. First one is type new list, second use existing list, and third one is select from Outlook contacts. So if you have already saved your contact list, you can use a use existing list. If you want to extract, if you want to take any contact from Outlook, you can select this option. Or if you want to type a new list, so you can click on the type new list option. So I'm selecting type new list. Here you can see I need to fill the details, but some fields are there which I don't need. Like title is there, first name, last name, company name, and you can scroll it. Address line 1, address line 2, and city, state, and so on. So I don't need so many fields, so I need to delete these fields. So for this I need to click on customize columns, and from here I have to click delete option. Yes, delete. Yes, and using the keyboard we can delete it fastly, and select the delete, press enter, then press a tab key and again press enter. So in this way I can delete it fastly. So after deleting all the fields, I need to add fields which I need. So click on the add, or you can press the A, and I need the name field. Click on OK, or you can press the enter key, then press A. I need the father's name, then I need class and section. I need, if you need anything, any more fields, you can click on add. I need the address. Okay. Now you can see after name the address field is there, but I want address should be in last. So select the field and just click on the move down option. Then click on OK. After this, just need to fill the details. I'm filling like name, father's name, then class section. After this, address. Then press the tab key to fill the next entry. So the fields which we have given, we have to fill the details. So I am just filling only 2 entries. After this, click on OK button. So here I have to save this contact list. As I told you, if you have already prepared your contact list, you can use the save. You can use the use existing contact list. So here I'm saving my list named class 10th A. I'm giving the name class 10th A. Click on OK. Click on save. So you have saved your contact list. If you want to use this list in future, you can use it. Now after this, just click on the starting. Press the enter key to leave some space. Now keep the cursor at the top of the page. Now I have to insert the field. Click on the insert merge field drop down arrow. Here click on the name. Then press the enter key. Again go to the same option. Next field, press enter. Why I am pressing the enter key? Because the fields like after name, father's name will be there in next line. Otherwise mess up will be there. So after this, now I have to click on the option finish and merge. Then you can click on the print document for directly take print out. Otherwise you can click on the edit individual documents. Here you have to select the all. Okay. Now you can see the fields which we have defined, details is there, and the notice or the application, the circular we have written, it is here. And this is the student number 1 record, and on next page student number 2 record is there. I have just given only 2 students detail, so 2 pages are there. So in this way we can use the mail merge option. Hope you have understood.